Please subscribe and remember to turn on notifications. And check out our other free lessons on our YouTube channel. Do you want to access more free videos? If so, click the link below and register for our free course.
Every cloud has a silver lining. Here's an example of this phrase being used. Even though Jade lost her tennis match, she gained valuable experience and was now more confident. Every cloud has a silver lining. See if you can guess the correct meaning. Is it A, the weather will improve later on? Is it B, there is something good in everything that is bad? Or is it C, things can only get better? And the correct answer is B, there is something good in everything that is bad. The idiom, every cloud has a silver lining, means that no matter how bad a situation might appear to be, there is always something positive about it. It is often used as a way of encouraging someone who is going through difficult times, helping them to see a positive way forward. Here's an example of this phrase being used.
I can't believe our hours have been cut again.
Don't be too disheartened, you. At least you can spend more time with your family. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Yes, you're right about that.
Listen and repeat. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other free lessons on our YouTube channel. Do you want to access more free videos? If so, click the link below and register for our free course. You can also sign up for a live lesson with a teacher.